In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome ERR Quick Protocol error. This error usually appears when you try to open a website and Chrome can't establish a proper connection using the Quick protocol. Quickie is a modern connection protocol that Chrome uses to make websites load faster and more securely. When something goes wrong with it, you may see this specific error instead of the page you're trying to reach. The good news is it's often easy to fix by turning Quick off from Chrome's internal settings. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using Chrome, not another browser, because these settings are specific to Chrome. At the top of the browser, click once in the address bar, where you normally type website addresses. Delete anything that's there, and type this exactly. Chrome, flags. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This will open Chrome's experimental features page. Don't worry, we're only going to change one safe setting. You'll see a page with a search box at the top. Click inside that search box and type the word Quick. You're looking for an option called Experimental Quick Protocol. This is the setting that controls whether Chrome uses the Quick protocol when connecting to websites. Next to Experimental Quick Protocol, there's a drop-down menu. By default, it's usually set to Default or Enabled. Click that drop-down and change the value to Disabled. This tells Chrome to stop using the Quick protocol, which is often enough to remove the ERR Quick protocol error. Once you've set it to Disabled, look for the Relaunch button that appears at the bottom of the screen. Click Relaunch. Chrome will close and reopen automatically. Don't worry if your tabs disappear for a moment, they should come back when Chrome restarts. After Chrome has relaunched, go back to the website that was giving you the ERR Quickie protocol error and try loading it again. In many cases, the page should now load normally. If the error is gone, you can continue browsing with Quickie disabled. If you ever want to turn it back on, just repeat these steps. Return to the experimental Quickie protocol setting and change it back to default or enabled, then relaunch the browser again. That's all you need to do to fix the Google Chrome ERR Quickie protocol error by disabling the Quickie protocol inside Chrome's flags page.